Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by comparing Roblox premium tiers so you pick the right monthly plan. Roblox Premium offers 3 monthly tiers: 99 with 450 Robux, 99 with 1,000 Robux, and 99 with 200 Robux. Match the Robux amount to how much you spend on avatar items, game passes, or developer tools. Premium also unlocks selling items, trading, and group payouts, which benefit creators. Decide whether you need the lower entry plan or the larger Robux bundle, then move to the payment and purchase step. To buy Roblox Premium, open your browser to Roblox.com, sign in, go to Settings, Billing, then get Premium and choose a plan. If you buy through the Roblox mobile app, the purchase flows through Apple or Google billing and prices may differ from Roblox.com. Confirm payment method: credit card, PayPal, or account credit. Redeem any Roblox gift card to account credit first and then apply that credit when subscribing. After purchase, you receive monthly Robux automatically, each billing cycle. After subscribing, know how to manage or cancel Premium through Settings, Billing on Roblox.com so you control renewals. Premium renews monthly and deposits the stated Robux allowance into your account each billing cycle until cancellation. To stop future charges, cancel before the next billing date. Canceling usually preserves remaining Robux you already received. For refunds, contact the platform that processed the payment, Apple, Google, or Roblox.com support, because refund rules and processing differ by payment provider and region.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.